My name is Sutherland. I run a small company called Express Door Services. We specialise in residential garage doors and factory industrial roller shutters. Well, I found it very difficult to try and buy seals that suited various applications, from gaps in the doors on the bottom to the sides, going to various rubber companies, and that they didn't have the variety that we're looking for. We had to cut and shut a lot of stuff to try and cover a gap. With all the new houses around now, you tend to find that there's a lot more gaps through the builders. They're just knocking up houses a bit too quick, so the gaps down the side, uneven concrete floors has been our biggest bugbear, and so that's what we're trying to achieve by covering all gaps. I think the variety of your seals, to be able to do what we want without having to misuse the wrong stuff to suit the gaps. Easy to deal with over the phone. The fact that you can get anything delivered and what comes in is what you've actually ordered. Covering the gaps on the sides and the bottoms and the tops of the doors a lot easier with unobtrusive seals. The more I ask for seals, the more that you seem to come up with solutions that suits what I require. Unobtrusive seals that can fit in, that will cover all their gaps with minimal aesthetic damage to the door. Well, I'd tell them the fact that they have a seal that suits all their problems that they want solved, and I can show them on the spot with our little seal kit that we have.